Hello and welcome to Bell BTC call recording. Once you access the recording portal, you'll come up to a similar page. In this short video, I will show how an end user can use the tools at the top of the page to search and filter the recordings they're looking for playback. Using the buttons at the top of the page, you'll be able to access the recordings by teams or the entire list of recordings you have access to, and if your device is being recorded, to your specific recording. My example, my device is not currently being recorded, but I do have access to different recordings. The buttons on the right give you access to different types of recordings. For now, the system only allows for audio recording, which is the button that states show recordings. If you click on show recordings, it will give you a list or give you access to the entire list of the recording. At the right, you also have a button that states show tag, another one that says show start. These options are fairly simple. You have a star option on each of the recording. You can click it to star your recording. And right underneath that, you have a button that says tags, where you can click it and add different tags to your recording. If a tag already exists, it will show up for you so you can make sure there are no typos and that you can select the exact same tag as you've used previously, which will then allow you to either click on the tag button here, giving you a list of all the recordings with tags, any kind of tag, or starred recordings, any of the recordings that have been clicked where the little star is showing yellow. If you want to go back to the entire list, you come back to the left and click on show recordings, which will then reload the entire list with the more recent recordings at the top always. Recordings can also be searched using the search box at the top. In the search box, you will find the exact same option that I just showed, whether you want to search into your own recordings, your entire list of recordings, or specific teams recordings. By clicking these buttons here, you will add an option to search in. You can then filter by start or tag or all your recordings. You can even restrict to a specific what are called dub points. Dub points are referring to the devices being recorded right now that you have access to. So if you want to restrict your search only to that one device, you can click it. It will then show to be filtered by that specific device. Otherwise, you just click all. You can also add additional filters in here, specifically dates, where you want to search for recordings only for today. It will put in today's dates, or yesterday, or last 7 days will give you a date range to search into. You can even customize that date range. You can make it a 3-day search. You can make it a 3-day search between specific hours also. So you want to look for calls made after 6 o'clock. You can make it an entire day search. So it'll look for recordings in those 3 days. In this case, I get these 4 recordings. If I want to reset everything, I can simply click show recordings, then all, and I can go back. But very interestingly, with the search box, you can use the query search. This query search allows you to search through any kind of data that was captured with your recordings, specifically phone numbers. So if you're looking for specific phone numbers, you can simply enter the dial pattern or any of the digits that you're looking for to filter out all the unnecessary information and only look for those recordings. No need to put in any kind of wildcards. Any pattern you put in will be looked for in the entire numbers that are captured, whether they're part of the number that was dialed or any other information that is captured on these recordings. Once you've found the recordings that you're looking for, then to play them or to replay them, it's as simple as clicking
This call is being recorded.
Every time you play a recording, it will load the audio as it's being played back to you. You can set the right, the duration of the entire call, and your current position in the recording. Whether you pause it or you play it, you can also fast forward by clicking further along the recording, or you can easily go back by clicking inside the audio box. You can pause your recording. You can add additional tags if there's some tags that you want to add. You can star this recording. You can remove the tags by clicking on tags again and removing the tags. You can search on the tags by typing the tag name in the search box.
This call is being recorded.
And then finally, you have a recording information, a little button here that will give you the details, when the recording occurred, duration of the recording, from which device to which device or number, when the recording will expire, and any other technical information that might be attached to this recording. Finally, there's a little button here that says share. When you click the share button, you're allowed to send a link sharing this specific recording. This link will be valid for a period of 24 hours or up to 50 times replay. When one of those two conditions expire, the share will no longer work for the person that it was sent to. So you simply type in an email address. You can change the subject and body. And then you check the little box here and hit the share button to send a link to this recording. Once a link is sent, it cannot be unsent. So be careful using this option. Hope you enjoyed. If there are any questions, you can easily go to the help section of the software. Otherwise, have a good day.